Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today we're talking about Emergent AI. So guys, let's get started. We're talking about how to use also. This is guys software based on AI. You can make through this website a landing page. You can build a clone of Netflix. You can make a games guys, as you can see. You can make anything on AI. Just upload your prompts here. You can build a dashboard. For example, guys, you have also community here. From the community, you have AI apps. You can analyze your objective and you can create a personalized step-by-step plan. And you have also powered platform with AI, and you can guys customize and structured business plan with your insights. You have a lot of things guys you can do from here. Just log in your account and you can add new workspace from here. For example, you can choose this name of your workspace and click continue, and then you have this plan guys. You can choose a plan monthly or anyone, and you can use just a free plan. For example, I want to create, for example, on ChatGPT need sample landing page guys, landing page prompts, and then you will give me ChatGPT sample prompts. So guys, just wait. I want to copy this landing page, for example this one, and I want to write here. So guys, the app you will help me to create a landing page guys here, but you should be have a credit on this one. You have a current active plan. You should be have a credit you can use to start using this app. So guys, also you can start building here. If I click this one, and you can use, and you have GitHub guys. You can connect through GitHub and you can start using your GitHub account with Emergent AI. So guys, this is great tool for you. If you have an owner of business, you can use to help you grow your business. So guys, this is I connected with my GitHub, and then guys you can get a free credit from here. You can through referral friends, and this is the account setting guys. You can manage your account here. This is great tool guys. You can help you to start your business, and thanks for watching this.